Huwag mo na pasok. Pasok na kayo.
Portal
Di
1
pa.
Hindi
na.
pa. Hindi pa ako nag-portal.
Where's Whis?
Anda.
Whis and the bomb?
Nasa portal 1 na.
Okay, go portal 1. Go portal 1.
What
Is,
was
okay.
Walang nag-invite kay Borgen.
We follow Astaroth, okay? We bomb on Astaroth.
Papalit nga si Z sa ano. Saka si Dabang.
Saan ko lalagay?
Palit lang sila.
Pagpapalitan. Wait, nakita ko si open, sayang. Wait. Marking open. X mark on
Yun
open.
yun si Open.
Press po. Careful. Let the other parties soak in first. Okay, we push back. Backline. Purple mark, ready. Let's go. Pull on me.
Shit. Yan na. Natagpas sa'yo lahat.
Wala. Portal 1 again. Try to pull back kayong konti. Pull back konti.
Sakit.
Pull back a little. Pick off. Open is.
Strike check ka.
Sige.
Ka-target pa. I'm sorry.
Atras Aegis. We regroup. Let's wait for our healer. Let's kill this. Okay. Ooh.
This has been targeted.
Pin up.
Game.
King.
Let's push right. Follow the bomb in Astaroth. Backline tayo. Wag dyan Astaroth. Wag dyan. Tank sen. Backline nila.
Ayun.
Nakita na siya ng kita. Yung may malibang.
Pwede ka na mag-devo the bomb. Okay, think we're good here. Okay, medyo ano tayo. Sabay.
Oh, shit, sorry.
Try to pull back.
Ang target ako nitong Enel.
Yeah, where RG? RG on spawn, portal 1. Okay, heals muna, heals. They are buff. Well, let's wait for their buff. Maybe 5 seconds and ready. Meron ka Aegis?
Doon sa may mga...
Tara. Sige. Marker, yes, marker. Game. Marker. Purple marker. Okay. Try to pull back a little. Nice kills. Okay, pull back a little bit. Pick off, Papa-cooldown lang ako. Buff ulit sila, they're buff. 10 seconds. We can wait out. Kill this one. Kill the person in front of us. Okay, backing. No need.
Wait.
Okay. I think we're ready. We can push now. Go. Purple mark again. Game. Nahila ako.
Non-stun nila.
Sorry, nahila ako. Sige. Okay, pull back a little again. Pull back a little bit. Yeah. We wait for cooldowns and Whis can pick up nearby enemy.
40 seconds.
Sige lang, sige lang. So magpa-buff lang
Hindi
tayo.
ba?
Alright. Check nyo rin yung status nila kung makita nyo. Makita mo pag naka-bastion sila eh. May mga pink shield. Right now they have buff.
15
Pull back, pull back,
Pull
guys,
back.
pull back, pull back. Wait for ages, we wait for ages. Okay, ready?
Ready?
No, go, let's go. Follow Astaroth. Pwede yan dyan. Hila na lang, hila.
Nakaikot kayo.
Oo, okay ka. Sige. Okay, pull back a little. We're outnumbered dun. Pick up. Patay ka AG.
Ay,
Patay si
putang
AG
ina.
ah.
Sorry,
Killer dun.
sorry. Napindot ko yung guardian.
Sige lang.
Itong beast.
Okay, RG.
Mali pa nga yung guardian ko dito. What the fuck?
They have Bastion. We wait.
I have
15 seconds
Ready?
ako.
See purple mark. Here. On the left. Let's go. Give me Aegis on Astaroth. Nice pull. You can bomb that.
Wala akong shield ah.
Okay. Pull back a little. Okay. We are G. Kill it. You can pick off fish.
Fight seconds
RG
lang.
again. This set. Heal first. Heal tank. We will push backside, okay? Backside. Wait.
Wait lang. Wait.
Ready?
Lahat ako.
GG. Pwede to sa harap, Aegis.
Okay, go na.
Go.
Shit, I'm sorry, Wiz.
Mali ata ako nung nakabuff pa sila. Asa ka AG? Sige, heal ka lang from distance. Sige.
Wala pa, wait.
Ready kayo? May debuff pa
Ready.
tayo. We have debuff, 10 seconds. Heal Aegis. We will push this area. Ready? G? Go. This area. Let's go. Heal Aegis. Mamatay si Aegis ah.
Laki
Okay,
naman
go.
buhay niyan, wait lang.
Ilang.
Ay, putang ina.
Okay, pull back na.
Aray ko,
We'll do it again.
talong.
Ilang seconds kami ko?
30 seconds.
30. Sige, pa-cooldown ka dyan. Mabilis na magpa-cooldown sa gilid-gilid. Okay, we heal first. Whis, you can pick off nearby enemies. Okay.
Hindi pa ako masaya, wala pa akong KS.
Leo.
8 seconds.
Sige. Ready. We'll push this area. Ready?
Ready,
Follow
ready.
follow green shield. Follow green shield. Okay. We can push now. Ready. Let's go. Oh shit, nahila kami ah. Go. Nice. Nice one. Sige. We hold...
Ay, shit. Sorry.
Okay lang. Try to hold that area. Medyo numinipis sila dyan. Try to hold that area. Okay. Hold yung area na yan. Okay. Pull back a little. They're RGing. They're regrouping.
Pull natin itong sa may...
Sige. Later we will push that. later. Try to go on the side.
15 seconds. Pero
Sige.
20 seconds roll.
Sige lang, okay lang kahit walang roll.
Sige lang.
Yan mo na yan. Pull back.
Ready.
Ready. Okay, let's go. Game. Yeah. Parang buff pa ata sila yung ginapan. We don't have healer. You can pull back. We wait healer. Get your cooldowns. It's okay to die and pick off. Okay, sige. Regroup here. Ready? Checking their status.
25 ako.
Sige, pa-cooldown ka pre. Pa-cooldown ka sa malalapit dyan.
Sige lang.
Uy,
Gamitin mo yung multi-shot. Lahat ng collision.
Yun.
It's okay. Ilan seconds ka?
5. Ready. Nakanta ko.
Sige,
Pero
ready.
Go lang.
Backside again. Ready? Ready? Let's go. Aegis. This one. Pull dyan pull. Me. Okay. Oh shit.
Sorry.
Sumabog ako.
Nakalimutan ako.
Okay, again. Get cooldowns.
may debo ako.
Sige lang, wala pa ako pre.
Okay.
Wala pa
15
akong
seconds ako.
Wala pa akong
It's
counter.
okay.
Sige, ready lang ako.
We pick off. 5 ako. Ready?
Ako.
Shit, nahila ako. Wait lang.
Sige.
Okay. Wait. Nabilis lang. Ready na ako pagbalik ko dyan. Saan ba maluwag dumaan? Pwede ba yun yung direction niya, no? Heal whiz first. Okay. See that? Purple mark. Ready?
I'm dead.
Shit, nawala healer natin. Sige. Try. Try. Okay, again. Sige lang, pa-cooldown na lang ulit.
Ay, shit.
Go lang. Papa-cooldown lang ako. It's okay to, die. 10 seconds, I'm ready.
Go.
Okay. Reset. RG on backline. RG on me. We wait, start. Okay.
Ready.
5 seconds. We push again. Backlines. Let's go, let's go. Right. We move here. Backlines sa
kung
backlines.
harap, ah.
Backlines. Yeah.
Naka-bastion.
Sige.
Sige,
Go na to. Pwede na to. Nadeba na tayo. Hindi pa pala sila nagbabastion. Eh.
Sakto nung nag-push tayo.
Okay.
Nag-bastion.
Okay. Pull a little bit. Pull back.
Oh, what
Tayo
the
lang nandyan.
fuck?
Sige.
Daya naman ang hila nun.
Cool down na ako in 5.
28 pa ako, pero go lang.
Sige, sino may devo sa inyo? Ready?
Meron ako.
Oh, go. Aegis, tara. Likod ulit. Tara. Sunod Aegis. Ito. Yan. Pwede.
Hindi ako makagalaw.
Okay. Atras na ako. Nice heal. Okay, pa-cooldown kayo. Mabilis lang ako. Pa-cooldown ko agad to. 15 seconds ako. Heal Bishamanten.
Plus.
Sorry.
Nakahatak. Hindi lang.
Sorry.
Okay, 5 seconds, I'm ready. We wait for
Oh,
Bishamanten.
wait.
Okay. We wait healer.
Ready.
Naka-buff sila ngayon. Sakto to pagdating ni AG. Pull back. Okay. We wait Aegis. Heal first. Pick off nearby.
Backline kakatapos lang bastion.
Okay, yeah. We'll push backline. Okay, heal tanks muna, Anyways. Okay, let's go. Backline. Purple mark. Follow green shield. Diyan na. Hila na dyan.
Hindi ako mabot.
Tangina mo.
Bakit?
May yung higop.
Right, yung slowly lang. Right, baka gusto mo push right
Ang gawin nyo, try nyo iwasan. Try nyo umiwas sa kasi madadami kayo ng mga SNS talaga. Kahit dito sa bandang gitna kayo dumaan. Huwag yun sundan yung path ni kasi may dash yan. Makakatakbo
Yung
talaga.
left side ng stone, gusto nyo dumaan doon. Papasok dun sa backline ng right. Yung left
Pwede,
side.
right side or left?
Left side ng stone
Wala
yun.
ako nakikis. Ito ba
Oo,
yan?
pwede. Sige. I'm ready.
Ready.
Heal muna, heal. This area. Pero nakabuff pa sila. We wait.
Naka-bastion, backline. 12 seconds
wait.
bastion nila.
Yeah, 10 seconds. We count 10 seconds, okay? Okay. Ready. Yung purple mark, ready. Let's go. Purple mark, ready. Heal.
Mabilo ako.
Sorry. Hindi ako nakapag-shoot
Nakaikot ka
agad.
doon.
No, not pwede.
Hindi ako nakaikot.
Saan ka scrappy?
May tape ako.
Sige lang.
Gago layo.
Meron ka Aegis.
Oo.
Tara. Kill Aegis, tas pull back. Game. Pwede to. This one. Sige. This clamp. Ready. Let's go.
Tangina.
Medyo marami. Sorry. Focus tayo. Wait lang. So, laging left side yung may big wave eh. So, dito tayo sa right side mag-play. Sige. We play on the stone. We play near the stone.
Then, punta sa backline.
Oo. Near the stone tayo. Sige. Magpapa-cooldown lang ulit ako. Ready ka, Miko?
Wala ako HP. Pero
Okay. Sige. Ready?
3 seconds
Ah, wait,
sa
wait.
fountain.
They're buff. Wait. 5 seconds, 5 seconds. Middle, then backline. Middle, then backline. Skull mark. Ready, let's go. Okay, backline. This one. Ready? Go. Pwede na yan.
ako.
Ligad.
Sorry. Favorite ako nito ni NL Heart eh.
Ah, fuck. Na-focus ako. Hindi ako makagalaw. Literal, hindi ako makagalaw. Ah, shit.
Oh, night time. Aalis na si Jeff. Puta, yun naman napindot ko na naman yung guardian. Bobo ang puta.
Pwede ako.
Mag-ayos ng combat set.
Ready ako.
Meron ka dabam?
Devil lang.
Low C.
Talang po.
Sige. Tara. We push. Inside.
Ready.
Okay, this is purple.
Hindi ako magaling.
Hindi kita abot.
Kailangan mo rin sumabay talaga. Sa ano ka? Stone ka magstay.
Nandun
Puro
ako
tank
banda
naman
pero... Yan. Ano bang range ko dito?
Okay.
Less than
Careful
20
doon,
lang range
careful
ko
doon.
dito eh.
Meron ako.
20 seconds lang.
Sige.
Go lang.
Ay, sorry.
10 seconds bastion. Purple mark. Ready? Okay, sige. Takbo. Mag-morph kayo dyan. Morph out. Okay, what? No healer. We kill this one. Ito sa harap natin. Sige.
Ready ako.
Ako rin. Backline again. Wait. They're buff. 10 seconds. RG. Sige, sakto to. Wait for Bishop Mountain. Okay, let's go. Manggilid tayo. Tapos backline na. Diretso backline na. Purple mark.
Sige, go. Tuloy na.
Tara. Let's go. Aegis, let's go. Okay, dyan na. The marker. Okay. Pull back, easy. Pull back. Meron kami ko.
25 seconds.
Sige,
Go lang,
wait
go lang.
natin, di
50
ba?
seconds
5
na lang.
seconds, di ba?
50 seconds na lang yung...
Oh, let's go. Need tank. Game. Gitna. Okay, sige. Pwede na to. 20 seconds na lang. Nakakalas yata. Atras kayo konti. Nakakalas po siya yata.
Ako.
Hindi pala.
10 seconds.
Oo, sila.
8 seconds na lang. Aegis.
Puro Zig na to.
Nice skill base. Hirap.
Hirap pumasok sa talis.
Hirap na.
Naka 26 ka pa din.
Ay, nasa open. 128 kills. Damn.
Uy, tangina, I will take pride on this. Mas mataas ako
Bakit?
kayo, Sophie.
Ah, talaga, sa healing.
Ano, oh. Pin up na ba? Wala pang pin.
Okay na, kahit wala akong KS. Masaya ako.